higher order function. Treat a function on a first class object. The first class function is a programming language, means that they can be passed around the manipulate like any other object such as string and integer. Characteristic of the first class object is can be assigned to a variable, can be used to a parameter, can be used to a return value, and can be stored in data structure such as list and hash table assigned to a variable. व्हाट इज़ मीन ऑफ हाई ऑर्डर फंक्शन? इट मीन्स कि जब भी हम पाइथन में प्रोग्रामिंग करते हैं फंक्शन का यूज़ करते हैं तो फंक्शन में हम लोग ऑब्जेक्ट जो हमारा ऑब्जेक्ट और क्लासेस होते हैं उसके बारे में बात करते हैं, इसलिए बोलते हैं पाइथन ऑब्जेक्ट ओरिएंटेड को भी सपोर्ट करता है। बेसिकली फंक्शन के ज़रिए हम सब चीज़ों को फंक्शन के ज़रिए हम उसको कॉल करके अपने ऑब्जेक्ट को कॉल करके उसको ऑपरेशन परफॉर्म करते हैं, फिर उसको रन कराते हैं। जैसे हमने लिखा है कैन बी असाइन ए वेरिएबल। कैरेक्टरिस्टिक ऑफ द फर्स्ट क्लास ऑब्जेक्ट, जो पहला क्लास ऑब्जेक्ट होता है उसका कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स क्या होती है? कैन बी असाइन टू वेरिएबल, हम उसको वेरिएबल भी असाइन कर सकते हैं, पैरामीटर भी असाइन कर सकते हैं, रिटर्न वैल्यू भी करा सकते हैं उससे। एंड कैन बी स्टोर इन द डेटा स्ट्रक्चर सच एज लिस्ट एंड हैश टेबल, और उसको हम डेटा स्टोर भी कर सकते हैं हैश टेबल लिस्ट के फॉर्म में। असाइन टू वेरिएबल डिफ एड एक्स कॉमा वाई कॉलन रिटर्न एक्स प्लस वाई, सम एड 10, 20 प्रिंट सम आउटपुट 30। डेफ मतलब डिफाइन फंक्शन, ये डिफाइन फंक्शन होता है। डेफ सी मैसेज रिटर्न मैसेज डॉट अपर फंक्शन, यू विल सी आउटपुट आपका हेलो बिकॉज अपर फंक्शन आर कैपिटलाइज ऑल द एलिमेंट यूजिंग इन फंक्शन। प्रिंट यल हेलो इन कैपिटल। डेफ फंक्शन सी मैसेज रिटर्न द मैसेज डॉट अपर केस पकड़ेगा। यल फंक्शन बनाया हमने सी एंड प्रिंट द यल हेलो। use a parameter and return the value. Def function fxy return the fxy. Print calculator lambda x comma y colon x plus y comma 50 output 100. Lambda basically calculate the values of variable x and y. Store data structure. Def function add xy return x plus y. Def sub x comma y return x minus y. Def function multiply x comma y return x into y. Option add sum multiply. Print option A 5.6. Print list 1 list 0 1 2. There is 3 list 5,6 5,6 5 6 and operation perform in add sum and multiply action. हमने क्या किया, हमने एक साथ एक फंक्शन बनाया, फंक्शन बनाने के साथ तो मैंने उसको एक साथ ही कॉल कर दिया वेरिएबल के साथ, तो आपको आउटपुट आएगा 11 - 1 30। देन आपका लैम्डा एक्सप्रेशंस। A function which has no name is known as lambda function. This is also known as anonymous functions. Do not define any def keyword. Return expression but not value. One line function. Any number or an argument cannot access global variable defined by using lambda keyword. Function does not have any name and syntax. A lambda argument colon expressions. Today many modern programming languages like Java, Python, C++, C# support the lambda function and add the functionality to the language. बेसिकली लैम्डा फंक्शन क्या होता है? फंक्शन ऐसा होता है जिसमें हम कभी उससे कोई नाम नहीं होता है। जैसे हम लोग डेफ फंक्शन है, डेफ का डिफाइंड फंक्शन है, उसको नाम दिया हम लोगों ने, ऐसे बहुत सारे फंक्शन का नाम देते हैं। बट ऐसा फंक्शन जिसमें कोई नाम ना हो, हम वैल्यू पास करें, वन लाइन फंक्शन होता है, उससे हम लैम्डा फंक्शन बोलते हैं या लैम्डा एक्सप्रेशन बोलते हैं। लैम्डा आर्गुमेंट कॉलन एक्सप्रेशन होता है आपका। देन आपका लैम्डा इन पाइथन लैम्डा एक्सप्रेशन आर यूटिलाइज्ड टू कंस्ट्रक्ट द एनोमस फंक्शन. Every anonymous function you define in Python will have 3 essential type part: the lambda keyword, the parameter, and the function body. Syntax and explain. The formal syntax to write a lambda function is given below. Lambda p1, p2, colon expression. Here p1 and p2 are parameter and which are passed to the lambda function. You can add as many or few parameter as you need. Sum lambda x comma y colon x plus y. There is expression and there is parameter x comma y is parameter and x plus y is expressions, and print sum colon 2 into 3, output minus 0.5, because the x and y is expression and x plus y is comma y is parameter and x plus y is expression. The combination of the all the operator and operators. Lambda function def add comma b colon return a plus b, simple function. Add 2 lambda a comma b colon a plus b, print add 2 comma 3, built in a map and filter, multiply the lambda a comma b colon a into b, print multiply 2 comma 3, output 5 and 6, because first we calculate the a plus b and second we multiply the a to b. So the 3 into 2 is 6 and 2 plus 3 is 5. This is the output. Now we'll check if the program anonymous or not. Again use print function, print add 2 and print multiply. Add at the function show only the lambda, add 2 and multiply show only the lambda functions. So we see that it is a anonymous function. Now I am going to explain the sorting algorithm in Python. Sorting refers to arrange the data in a particular format. Sorting algorithm specifies the way to arrange the data in a particular order. Most common order are the numeric or lexicographical order. The importance of sorting lies in the fact that data searching can be optimized to a very high level. If data is stored in a sorted manner, the importance of sorting lies in the fact that data searching can be optimized to a very high level. If data is stored in a sorted manner, sorting is also used to represent data in more readable format. Below we see 5 such implementation of sorting in Python: bubble sort, merge sort, insertion sort, cell sort, and selection sort. You already know about this sorting because you are studying in data structure in second year, so I think we are very much familiar of this sorting. But if you are not very much familiar of this sorting, and this video is very useful for you, because I am going to explain the very easy way to how to sorting perform in Python. First is a bubble sort. It is a comparison based algorithm in which each pair of adjacent element is a compare and element as swap if they are not in order. Def the bubble sort is a list. Def is a defined functions for rotation num in the range of length, list -1 0 -1. For index in ranges dot num. If list index is greater than list index I plus 1, then temp list I index, then list is I index plus list I index plus 1, and list index plus 1 is to temp. List is 19 2. List is 19 2 31 45 6 11 121 27. Bubble short list and print the list. When the above code is executed, proceed with the following result: 2 6 11 19 27 31 45 and 121. Because you know that key when we are compare the each value, if the value is greater than first value, the value is swap. The step by step. First step we are going to explain key first element is compare for other second element. If there is smaller than first element, then swap it. First step is perform. Then second step is second element is a comparison for third element. If there is a small, then swap it. If there is not a small, stop it and compare the fourth element to fifth element. If fourth element is shorter than fifth element, then swap it, otherwise stop. इस तरह से आप सारे एलिमेंट को आप वन बाय वन क्या करोगे, कंपेयर कराओगे. कंपेयर कराने के बाद आप देखोगे कि आपको जो वैल्यूज़ मिल रही है, इस शॉर्टिंग वैल्यू मिल रही है. शॉर्टिंग से कि आपको इंक्रीजिंग ऑर्डर वैल्यू मिल रही है, जैसे 2 6 11 19 27 31 45 121. इंक्रीजिंग वैल्यू तो ही मिलती है जब हम उसे कंपेयर कर रहे हैं. कंपेयर करने के साथ वैल्यू को इंक्रीमेंट करते जा रहे हैं. इस तरह से आपको इसमें एक लूप चल रहा है, आप देख रहे होगे आपका फॉर लूप चल रहा है इसमें। हम इस पर फॉर लूप चला रहे हैं, जो हमारा लिस्ट है तो फॉर लूप चलाएंगे, फिर उसमें हम इंडेक्स वैल्यू को कंपेयर कराएंगे, हर इंडेक्स वैल्यू के साथ उससे कंपेयर कराएंगे। अगर लिस्ट की इंडेक्स वैल्यू और उसमें +1 की जो इंडेक्स वैल्यू है दोनों कंपेयर कराएंगे, अगर दोनों की वैल्यू आपकी लिस्ट पहली वैल्यू आपकी सेकंड वैल्यू से ज़्यादा है, बड़ी है, तो आपको वैल्यू जो कि टेम्प इनिशियलाइज हो जाएगी। देन आपका फिर सेकंड वैल्यू को हम कंपेयर, ऐसे करते करते आप सारे वैल्यू कंपेयर कराओगे, देन आपका एक सॉर्टिंग लिस्ट मिल जाएगा आपको। Merge sort is the first divide the array into the equal, have into them, combine them in sorted manner. फर्स्ट आपका है, फर्स्ट हम देखेंगे बबल सॉर्ट के बारे में। पहले इंट्रोडक्शन देख लेते हैं, कैसे बढ़ना हमको, कैसे बढ़ना देख लेते हैं, कैसे कैसे चीज़ों हम सॉर्ट आउट करेंगे, पढ़ेंगे इसको। तो समटाइम डेटा वी स्टोर इन रिट्रीव इन हैव अ लिटिल ऑन ऑर्डर, we may have to correct the process to efficient use it. See, computer science and scientists have to create many more organized data. In this article we all have to look at popular algorithm, understand how they work in Python. We will also compare the how quickly the list. For simplicity, the algorithm implementations, list of number is ascending order. Of course, they adopt them or needs. If you would like to learn about this specific algorithm, jump it for here. First, bubble sort, selection sort, insert sort, merge sort, heap sort, quick sort, and sorting in Python. First, I'm going to tell about what is bubble sort. This simple sorting algorithm iterates over the elements in a pair and swapping them until the elements bubble up of the end of the list element stay at the bottom. We begin by comparing the first two elements. The first element is larger than second, then swap them. If they are already in order, we then move to third. We then move to the next pair of element, value and swap as necessary. This process is list pair of time in the list. Upon reaching the end of the list, it repeated every time. This is a highly insufficient single swap need to be made the array. Still they iterate through the n square 2 times, even through the store. Obviously the to optimization algorithm we need to when is finished sorting, otherwise it will be already stored to many times. How would we know that we are finished the item and where we ordered we would not be have to. Whenever we swap the value, we set the and repeat the set the false and repeat the sorting process. If no swapping occur, would we remain the false and the algorithm is would be right. इम्प्लीमेंटेशन देख लेते हैं प्रोग्रामिंग से कैसे होती है। वो बहुत आसान है इसकी प्रोग्रामिंग, आपको बहुत आसान। पहला क्या, डेफ क्या कोई फंक्शन है, डेफ नाम हमने एक फंक्शन बनाया, डिफिनेशन फंक्शन, इधर डिफाइंड फंक्शन होता है। तो हमने नाम लिखा बबल शॉर्ट नम, हमने एक फंक्शन बनाया बबल शॉर्ट नम से। देन हमने लिखा स्वैप्ड इसको ट्रू लिखा, और वाइल लगाया क्योंकि हमें सब स्टेटमेंट को ट्रू कराना है, तो वाइल लगाएंगे हम, वाइल स्वैप्ड इक्वल टू फॉल्स। देन फॉर लगाएंगे क्योंकि हम एक रेंज भी दे रहे हैं इसमें। फॉर आई इन अ रेंज लेंथ नम माइनस आई, इफ नम आई इज़ ग्रेटर देन नम आई प्लस 1, स्वैप द एलिमेंट। क्या करेंगे, एलिमेंट को हम स्वैप कर देंगे, मतलब नम आई इज नम आई प्लस 1 आपके किसमें स्टोर होगा, नम में जाकर स्टोर हो जाएगा, ट्रू हो जाएगा वैल्यू आपका। ऐसे ही आपके सारे स्टेट जितने भी आपके चलते रहेंगे, बार लूप को चलाते रहेंगे फॉर लूप को, जब तक कि सारे के सारे एलिमेंट आई प्लस 1 तक के सारे जो एलिमेंट हों वो आपके प्रिंट ना हो जाए। रैंडम लिस्ट ऑफ नंबर 52184, बबल शॉर्ट रैंडम लिस्ट ऑफ नंबर इज प्रिंट रैंडम लिस्ट ऑफ नंबर। Then algorithm run a while loop, only not a item are swapped but is swapped to be beginning in the ensure that the algorithm is run. So 52184, it means when we are going to apply the bubble sort in this list, we compare the first two element. If first element is less than second element, greater than second element, and second element is less than first element, to swap it. Then we swap the second pair of element and compare the third to fourth element. If third element is greater than fourth element, then swap it. ऐसे आप सारा प्रोसेस करते जाओगे लास्ट तक 1 by 1 स्टेप में. देन आपको एक सॉर्टेड लिस्ट मिलेगा. उस लिस्ट में आप देखोगे इंक्रीजिंग फॉर्म में सारे लिस्ट आपको मिलेंगे. टाइम कॉम्प्लेक्सिटी इन द worst case scenario when the list is ordered. This algorithm have the swap of the array. On swap flag would be seen every iterations. Therefore, we have n elements in our list and iterations per time. So bubble sort is sorting first time. Sorting is O n per 2. Then selection sort. This is the algorithm of the list of 2 elements unsorted. When continuously remove some of the unsorted segments to the list and appear the sorted segment. In practice, we don't need to create a new element. What we do is treat the leftmost at the sorted segment. When then search the smallest element and swap it with the functions. Now we know that the first element of the get the smallest element of the remaining. When the second element and the iterations item to the list of remaining the element 2. There is an example of selection sort element. There is def functions selection sort num for I in a range length num. Lowest value index is equal to I. For j in the range I plus 1 comma length num. We see that I increases, we need to form the items. Time from we can easily get the time complexity by the for loop in the selection sort algorithm. Element the outer of loop it iterates n times. In a loop it iterates the n minus 1 when it is equal to n fourth item. The amount of complexity is n minus 1, which is the selection sorting. Next is insertion sort. Like a selection sort, this algorithm is segment sorted and unsorted part. So it iterates over the segment and insert the element in the correct position of the stored list. We assume that the first element of the list is then go to next element. Let us call the x. And the first element we leave as is if x is copy of the value of the first element to the second, and set the first element to sec x. As we go to the other element, we continuously move large element in the T and segment of the list up to the uncounted T. Then x in reach of end and the sorted the segment and place x in the correct positions. If you would like to read the details of the equation in certain short, we have got you covered. Insertion short, there is a for range 1 length num item to insert the num I and j is equal to I minus 1. We just compare the value sorting the element, sorting the list. While j is greater than equal to 0, num j 1 and num j plus 1 is equal to num, and j is equal to 1 and num j is equal to 1 item is to inserted. It's a short name of the start on the second element. This is a program. The time complexity, the worst case of scenario. An array would be reversed order. The outer for loop in function always iterates n minus 1 times. The worst case scenario, the for swap 1, the swap 2, and swap would be the I plus 1, 1 plus 2. Next is heap sort. This popular sorting algorithm, like the selection sort segments list into the sorted part. It covers the unsorted segments of the heap and data structure so that we can efficiently the large element. They begin by the transforming the list into the binary form, that tree where the biggest element. We place the item to the end of the tree and rebuild of the max heap, which now has one of the placing the new largest value before the list. We treat the process building the heap are removed. If you would like to read the details, dedicate all the sort we have got you covered. Implementations, the heap sort. Use the program. Sorting is the basic building block that maybe other algorithms are built upon. It is related to the several existing idea that you will see the throughout your program career. Understanding how to sorting algorithm in Python work behind the scene is a fundamental step toward implementing correct and efficient algorithm that solve the real world problem. In this tutorial, you will learn how different sorting algorithms in Python work and how they compare under the different circumstances. How Python is built in sort functionality, work behind the scenes. How different computer science concepts like recursion and divide and conquer apply to sorting. How to measure the efficiency of an algorithm using the big O notations and Python limit modules. By the end of this tutorial, you will understand the sorting algorithm from both the theoretical and practical standpoint. More important, you will have the deeper understanding to different algorithm design technique that you can apply to other area of your work. Let's get started. The importance of sorting algorithm in Python. Sorting is one of the most thoroughly studied algorithms in computer science. There are the dozen of different sorting implementations and applications and that you can use to make your code for efficient and effective. You can use sorting to solve the wide range of problems, searching and collecting. Searching for an item in a list works much faster if the list is sorted. Searching for an item in a list works much faster if the list is sorted. Selection is the item for a list based on their relationship to the rest of the item is easier with the sorted data. For example, finding the kth largest of the smallest value or the finding the median value of the list is much easier when the value are in the ascending to descending order. Duplicates, the finding the duplicates value on a list can be done very quickly when the list is sorted. Distributions, analyzing the frequency distribution of the item on the list is very fast if the list is sorted. For example, finding the element that appear most on a list often relatively straightforward with the sorted list. From commercial application to academic research and anywhere in between, there are the countless way you can use the sorting to save yourself time and effort. Python built-in sorting algorithm. First time we will tell about how to sort the element using the Python. The Python language, like many other high-level language, offer the ability to sort data out of the box using the sorted functions. An example of sorting it is array 2645, sorted array 24568. You can use the sorted to sort any list as long as the value inside the comparable. This significance of time of complexity. This tutorial converts two different way to measure your runtime sorting algorithm. For a practical point of view, you will measure the runtime of the implementation using the time module. For a more theoretical perspective, you will measure the runtime complexity of the algorithm using these limitations. Timing your code when comparing to sorting algorithm in Python. It is always informative to look at how long each one takes to run. The specific time each algorithm takes will be determined by your hardware, but you can still use the proportional time between the execution to help you decide which implementation is more time efficient. So I think you are when you are see this video, you are able to do the programming on searching and sorting. In this section, you will focus on a practical way to measure the actual time to take a run. Your sorting algorithm using the time it module. And for more information on different way you can time execution code is Python. Check a Python time functions. Selection sort. The selection sort is algorithm sort an array by repeatedly finding the minimum element. Consider the ascending order from the unsorted part and putting it at the beginning. The algorithm maintains the two sub-array in given arrow, the sub-array which is already sorted and the remaining sub-array which is unsorted. In every iteration of selection sort, the minimum element of consider the ascending order from the unsorted sub-array is picked and moved to the sorted sub-array. Following example explain the above. And the minimum element in array and place it the beginning 11, 25, 12, 22, 64. Find the element in array and place the beginning of the element 12, 25, 20, 65. And finding the minimum element on the array 2, 2 to 4 and place beginning the array of element. The flow chart of the selection sort. First, then start the value and repeat the values and repeat the array elements of n. The start is 0. If the value is written equal to I n minus 1, then yes, sort the elements, sort the I plus 1. If j is less than n, yes, sort the values, then n is equal to n plus 1, j plus 1 इंक्रीमेंट करेंगे इसमें, देन स्वैप द वैल्यूज़ करेंगे. उसके बाद हम क्या करेंगे, उसको जे आई प्लस 1 में एंटर कर देंगे. फिर हम चेक करेंगे दोबारा क्या वो वैल्यू आई से कंपेरिजन में बड़ी है छोटी है. आई से बड़ी होगी तो फिर हम स्वैप कराएंगे और फिर से वैल्यू में एंटर कर देंगे. हम प्रोग्राम आपका आपने ये लिया, आपने इंपोर्ट से मतलब फंक्शन बनाया, आपने इंपोर्ट से इसका आपने ये लिया वैल्यू 64, 55, 12 लिया. देन में इंडेक्स आपका आई है. फॉर जे इज इन रेंज आई प्लस 1 लेंथ आपका आई. इफ द इज मिनिमम इंडेक्स ग्रेटर देन आई इन जे एंड मिनिमम इंडेक्स जे मिल जाएगा आपका. फिर ए आई मिनिमम इंडेक्स एंड मिनिमम इंडेक्स इज टू एम आई जाएगा. प्रिंट द सॉर्टेड एरे एंड फॉर आई इन रेंज लेंथ ए एंड प्रिंट द परसेंटेज ऑफ आई. In sorted array is 11, 12, 22, 25, 26. Time complexity is 0 and square as there are two nested loop. And auxiliary space is a good time thing about selection sort. It is a never makes a more than one fact and can be useful when memory writes is a costly operations. Certain area of the string of using selection sort. Stability is difficult implementation is not stable. However, it can be made stable. Please see the stable selection sort from details. This is sorting of snapshot. Compare the two values 64 and 25. Then if 64 is greater than 25, then it's not swapping. And compare the other two elements. 12 is Mustard is small entity. P value 64. And place the value.